Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to hide the Threads badge from your Instagram profile on Android. If you're looking to clean up your profile and remove the Threads badge from it, you're in the right place. To get started, open the Instagram app on your Android phone and go to your Instagram profile by tapping on your profile picture located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Threads badge located on your profile to open up the Threads app. Once you're in the Threads app, tap on the three dots located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From there, select Hide Badge. Confirm your action by tapping Remove Badge. That's it. The Threads badge will no longer be visible on your Instagram profile. It's important to note that once you hide the Threads badge, there's no known method to unhide or make it visible again on your Instagram profile, so make sure you want to remove it before doing so. Hiding the Threads badge from your Instagram profile can be useful if you want to keep your profile clean and free of clutter. It can also be useful if you don't want your followers to know that you're using Threads. In addition to hiding the Threads badge, you can also adjust other privacy settings in Threads to make your conversations more comfortable. For example, you can choose who can see your online status, who can add you as a friend, and who can see your story. And that's all there is to it. Hiding the Threads badge from your Instagram profile on Android is a quick and easy process. Thanks for watching and happy Instagramming.